fair, they're quite pearly white.
Delicious.
On your leg.
We're on the bus.
We're on the bus.
Hello.
Hello, my name is Tez. Today I'm joined by my beautiful girlfriend Neve, and we are about to tackle Stickle Tarn. We are starting at the new Dungeon Gill Hotel, and we are going all the way up there. This is also Neve's first time in the Lake District. We're gonna get a little beverage, a little refreshment, because we've just had about 3 hours odd of traveling up here. We're gonna cool off because it is also like the hottest day of the year.
What is it, like 28 already?
28, 29 already, and it is like 10 a.m. We're gonna get a nice cool beverage, and then we're gonna tackle the first bit of ascent. These are all the little birds that you can expect to see out here. Which one did we see earlier?
Only house sparrow and the pigeon.
House sparrow.
Pigeon.
And the
I
pigeon.
saw the great tits yesterday.
Oh.
Let me show my app. I've got the Merlin app.
It's the Merlin app, and all you got to do is click record,
And these.
and it can use AI to tell what bird are around you. All right, we've heard some birds.
Stop as you put the camera in. It's okay, we'll get them.
We'll get them.
We'll get them.
This walk is not a very forgiving one up to Stickle Tarn. Immediately the second that you leave the car park, it's straight to incline. All these beautiful ferns lining the trail. Just applied sunscreen and Neve's stuffing one of the natural sinks. Look at it. Absolutely beautiful. Pretty sure there's a guy coming up in a wedding dress. What's the occasion?
I'm getting married. It's August the 2nd.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Happy birthday.
Thanks.
What a king. Whew. We're about halfway up now. He's feeling strong. She's showing off for the camera because that is definitely not what she was saying 10 seconds ago. I am so excited to just dip straight in the tarn when we get to the top. Whew. Anything to say? If you guys can see the white groom-to-be, just he is a man on a mission.
The silk was like stuck to his skin.
Right, I'm gonna coach you up this. Foot up as high as you can. There, yeah, go. That's it. Onto that, and then onto there. Go on, girl. Good going. Gosh. This is where the Solomon grip comes in. And now we got this really cool crossing up there. Seeing this guy. He's coming with me. Nearly there. Very nearly there. Neve's just choosing her own adventure. Come on, baby. Let's get a live reaction. I was just saying, since my last time coming up here, I did a little bit of research on what this was because I thought that is such a cool wall here, and I don't know how old it was, and it goes all the way back to like Victorian times, where Stickle Tarn is a natural tarn to some level, but the Victorians dammed off part of it so that it would increase the level and they could just use it as like a makeshift reservoir. The stream down used to feed into the factories that were down at the bottom. They made clothing and gunpowder back in like whatever war it was. I obviously haven't done enough research. But
There's some
as
sheep
well, maybe-
there. A little bit of
show.
sheep.
This line up to the top is Jack's rake, but I think we're probably just going to play it safe and go up this side.
The easy route.
Hello, sheep mama.
Hi, sheep mama.
Neve somehow found a crystal.
You see, it's like shiny.
It's beautiful. Anybody knows what that is, please let us know. Go across quieter section of the tarn, have a little dip, have a little sunbathe, and then probably try and build up the confidence to tackle this bad boy. Yeah, I really don't think that's going to cool them down very much. Got some paragliders. They're like the cross-country ones, the ones that like ride the thermals. And he's just having a little mermaid moment. That is so cool. Look at him. He turned the corner, found a little thermal, and they're riding it all the way up. And that will give them the elevation to just float away.
Absolutely beautiful. Look at him in his natural habitat.
And he's managed to find the sheep jaw.
Looks like he was brushing his teeth, to be fair. They're quite pearly white.
Got a curious guy inspecting our loot. Hey buddy, help yourself to a squares bar. Proper curious. Oh my god, bless the hat. Bless my hat, please, sheep.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
Thank you, Mr. Sheep. It is pushing 30 degrees and I've just about managed to convince Neve to come on up to the summit with me. So, cut to the the huffing and puffing. Wow, views as far as the eye can see. We got some little neighbours joining us as well. This is the only shade around for ages, so we're making the most of it, but we've still got a good chunk to do before we're at the top there. Killing it. Whew. This is one of the many cairns that we've seen on the way up here. I will not be adding to this one because it literally looks like it's about to be a health and safety risk. And it's just going to all tumble down the hill and leave my little Neve all... Right, we have just come all the way up here. Camera is really not doing it justice, but after about 40 minutes straight of just incline, we've done it. Hold on. Now we just got to get over there.
We just inclined a hell of a lot.
The top is just over there. We've climbed up and we just thought we might check and peek over. And look at this. I had no idea.
It's something out like the sound of music.
The hills are alive. Alright, we're going through the bog on the way back down. We're going to go down a different way. We're going to go down North Rake.
Me, a pole.
Yeah, we're poling around now and we are grumbling. There is a grumble in the tumble for some food. What have we got? Chicken curry, rice, poppadoms. Oh, it's gonna be lovely.
A few little beverages.
And a couple of beverages as well.
Beverages.
Descending via North Rake was not as easy as we thought it was going to be, but we're doing it. We're doing it. We're getting through it. Okay, I think we're about like halfway down North Rake. Look at that. That is kind of scary. How you feeling, baby?
Good. Starving Marvin.
Starving Marvin.
Tommy is just filling up some water for us. Is that a life straw?
It's a water drop water filter.
Water drop water filter. Basically a life straw. And he's just scooping the water up in that little baggie and then he's squeezing it through the straw and into the Nalgene's.
That beautiful sun that has been blessing us all day is about to set on us. So, we found a spot. We found a very nice spot. He's just trying our stuff right now. Right here. Plenty flat, isn't it? Go. There you go. And it's done. And it's set up. And that was a lot more fiddly of a pitch than I thought it was going to be. There's a little bit of an angle that we're on, but I think it's fine. And he's got a little citronella wristband on. She's
Tommy on, but he's just aware of it.
she's convinced this is going to keep us safe, so we'll see. The Durston X-Mid Solid Edition, X-Mid 2 Solid Edition is looking beautiful. What's this?
See.
Someone's
Seat to summit, ultralight, insulated, regular size, because apparently I wasn't small.
just to show you guys what we've just done. So we started over here, we climbed all the way up to here, over Pavey Arc, and then it's descended down North Rake, which was pretty intimidating.
And what on earth is that?
Well, critter.
Oh, never seen that before. It's got like whiskers.
So we've got some crushed poppadoms, which we've got some survivors. Definitely worth bringing. Excited for that. This has been our snack bag. Got a little pan of chocolat for the morning. Got some goodies for later as well. Boil in a bag rice. This is the first time I'm making this, so hopefully that goes good. We've then got another snack bag. I think this is my one because Neve's already had a mini cheddars. And then we've got the fire maple cook kit. That's going to come in clutch. Got an extra thing of gas from Decathlon. I think this should be, one should be enough, but better safe than sorry. We then got not one, but 2 tins of mild chicken curry from M&S. There you go. Neve used this, had this during her DFE, so she's swearing by it. So we've gone for it. And then we've got extra pair of socks for tomorrow. Big fleece for when it gets cold later on, along with some thermals, and then Thermarest Neo Air X Lite sleeping mat for me, and then also, as always, the Mammut Perform down sleeping bag, which is rated to like -7 on the comfort, so we're good. And that is it for now. We're gonna get everything set up and begin cooking, I think.
Setup, beautiful view, beautiful man.
And we cooking. Fire maple stove, fire maple cook pot. First on the menu is boiled in a bag of rice. I've made this mistake many times, as you want to always put your water in before you get the stove going. Otherwise it'll burn the bottom.
Cut to dinner.
Bag of rice. Chicken curry. And just like that, bone apple teeth, darling.
Delicious.
Wowza. Even with the poppadoms. Living. This is the best meal I've ever had camping. So big thanks to Lee for the recommendation. The boiling bag rice, perfect. Curry's perfect. And the fact that we've even got poppadoms is like next level. Very happy. And look at where we get to be happy in. It's unreal. Whoa! Hello everybody.
Hey guys.
It's been about 2 hours since the last check-in. We have had a very big day. We were absolutely exhausted, so chicken curry dinner, delicious, was immediately scranned, and we hopped in the tent and passed out. We are shattered, as has already been mentioned, and we've got a pretty early start ahead of us tomorrow. Gonna try and wake up just after sunrise, pack up and head down, and head for like a little breakfast somewhere. But
Full English. Yeah. At a little.
how have you found your first trip to the Lake District, Neve?
I've loved it. It's beautiful.
Everything
I didn't
you
want to
imagine?
go home. I don't want to go home.
You can stay out here.
Gorgeous.
Good morning, everybody. What a day. We have woken up pretty energetic, but last night we were absolutely flat. The heat, the distance we covered, the elevation was cooking us, completely cooking us. So today we are feeling it a little bit, but I think we got a good 8 hours of sleep, something like that. It was a good mission, and we were rewarded with a good night's sleep as well. So it's been a fantastic trip. It's been an amazing trip, and I'm so glad that it's gone as well as it has for Neve's first time in the lakes as well, because it's such a magical place. And I think the first time I came it was cold and windy and it was a little bit trickier. So I'm really happy that she was able to have such a good time. 7:30, nearly 8 o'clock. Neve's just brushing her teeth. And we're gonna pack up the tent shortly, head back down and try and catch a bus into Windermere for some breakfast. So thank you very much for joining us, and I will see you guys later.
We got some melon, we got some goose, we got some Eurasian collared duck, we got baby seagulls. yellow-legged gulls, lesser-backed gulls. I'm not really sure what he is in the water though. If anyone knows who that is, please let me know.
That little fella.